Hi, so life have been pretty busy lately. In 1 month, I need to wrap my job in Kolkata and then pack my bags and then leave for US for my further studies. In between all of those, I just thought of creating this video, which will be an accumulation of various glimpses of Kolkata, which I like the most. So let's
তোমাকে
get into
চাই,
it.
সব অজুহাত তোমাকে চাই, দেখা দেওয়া তোমারই দায়, বলো তোমায় পাবো কোথায়।
This is one of my most favorite and most visited places in Kolkata. This is like the green heart of any big city. And when you come here, incident stops happening and you tend to appreciate the little blessings of life you inherited much more. Feel more grateful for the journey you have taken so far and live in the moments, at least try to live in the moments you are with your special ones. Don't get me wrong, I have spent a major chunk of my life in village where though greenery was much more abundant, the ruminations become much more laid back, I think. Because brain don't register the struggles and achievements you have gone so far, mostly because of what I think is the economic variations in the rural areas of at least West Bengal is very minimal. Park Street is the next most interesting destination of mine, and I'm glad it exists. Firstly, the food and culture. It is one of the best places for getting world-class cuisine at a relatively affordable price. If you or your special one is a foodie, it can be a potential heaven. Secondly, being just 4 minutes walk from Moidan, you will be made aware of the poor and wealthy division of Kolkata pretty quickly once you visit here. You will see the glamorous lifestyle as much as Kolkata has to offer, though it's not world class, but it's pretty high. You will be made conscious about how rich populations looks like, and somewhere you will feel opening a restaurant here would be one of the better decisions of life. Just if I could afford the money to open that. It will poke you somewhere to dream more big, not materialistically. Most of us don't have that much materialistic aspirations to start with, but just the ambience of the place can make you uncomfortable for 1 or 2 times if you are visiting from a small town.
ফোন তোমাকে চাই, সব অজুহাত তোমাকে চাই, দেখা দেওয়া তোমারই দায়, বলো তোমায় পাবো কোথায়। তোমাকে চাই, ওই একঘেয়ে ক্যাফে গিটারের সুর, কংক্রিট ভিড়, বিদ্রোহে জিতে যাওয়া সেই পুকুর, সবাই তোমাকে চায়, বলো তোমায় পাবো কোথায়। বিভাগী ফোন তোমাকে চায়, সব অজুহাত তোমাকে চায়, দেখা দেওয়া তোমারই দায়, বলো তোমায় পাবো কোথায়। প্রথম ক্যাসেট তোমাকে চাই, শেষ অসুখ তোমাকে চাই, কতবার ভেবেছি হায়, বলো তোমায় পাবো কোথায়।